Hi again. This is my second unboxing of the day. This is from the Fat Quarter shop again, and let's get into it. This is so cute. Obviously, it's Easter themed. It is the Holiday Fat Quarter Club of the month, and it's called Carrot Patch, and it was from March. So we get 12 fat quarters every month, and it is holiday themed. So let's get into it. Super cute. So let's open it up. So it's really cute, really pastel-y colors, and here's yellow chicks on a light purple lavender background. Easter eggs on, looks like almost a burlap background. And this is Easter bunnies in a row with butterflies and spring. This is a pale pink background, polka dotted with white flowers. Super cute. Same thing except in green. Here's the Easter bunnies, Mrs. Easter Bunny, Mr. Easter Bunny in a random way, not in stripes. Here's the flowers again in a pretty blue. Here's bright orange carrots in a bright yellow background. And again, the Easter bunnies, and this one is in a yellow background, and this was in a blue background. Here's the Easter eggs in a white background. Butterflies. This is really cute. This would make these would make cute bags, Easter bags. And chicks again with the white background, and the first one was the chicks in the purple background. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this quick peek at my March designer fabric, not designer, sorry, my March 2019 Holiday Fat Quarter Club. Okay, thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye.